Okay guys, when we get into this kind of problem, we just have to remember patterns and think about patterns. So this one, it says Mark's making lemonade. The directions say to use 3 liters of water, so I'm going to underline that, 3 liters of water with 4 lemons. Then it says how many liters of water, whoops, sorry about that, how many liters of water will you need with 10 lemons? So I want you to look first for something I underline that doesn't have a number attached. It's right here. The liters of water does not have a number attached. So I'm going to put an X there because we don't know how many liters of water we're going to be using there. Okay? I'm sorry that doesn't look like an X, but my stylus is not being nice to me. All right. So unit over unit. So let's think about the units. I'm going to erase the liters here and just stick with water because lemon starts with an L and liter starts with an L, so I don't want to confuse myself. So I'm going to say water over lemons, okay? And I'm going to draw a line equals a line. So the first water is a 3, and that goes with 4 lemons. The second amount of water we don't know, so that's going to have to be our X, and it goes with 10 lemons. So we're going to have to cross multiply to figure out what we have to do to know how much water we need for that many lemons, okay? So let's start by cross multiplying. All right. Again, I don't know what's wrong with my stylus. So let's start by doing 3 times 10. I know I don't have to do that in my calculator, but I'm going to because I don't want to make any mistakes. So 3 times 10 is 30 equals 4 times X is 4X. Now I have an equation, and I know I need to get that X alone. So I'm going to go back to my calculator, but I'm going to write here first. I'm going to divide each side by 4 so I can figure out what X is. So I'm going to put in 30 divided by 4 gives me 7.5. So since I ran out of room, coming over here, 7.5 equals X. So that means that I'm going to need 7.5 liters of water to go with the 10 lemons. Okay? So again, when it's just talking about this to that, you know, water to lemons, miles to hours, time to miles, anything like that, this is what you're going to use up here. This unit to unit equals unit to unit. But you need to write something like this so that you don't get them mixed up. Because if you put them in the wrong order, it's not going to work. Okay? Love you guys. Let's go to the next one.